Hi there, students. Conventional wisdom. Okay, conventional wisdom is an uncountable noun. I think it might be used countably, but I think most commonly it's uncountable. Conventional wisdom is the view that is accepted of things, the traditional ordinary theory as accepted by everybody. It's true. This is what everybody believes. So, for example, until Christopher Columbus, conventional wisdom had it, conventional wisdom believed, it said, that the earth was flat. Okay, so conventional wisdom. This is a generally accepted theory or belief. However, it also implies that this belief may be questionable. It may not be true on closer examination. Okay, you can also say received wisdom, but I think conventional wisdom, particularly the phrase conventional wisdom, has it that. Bah, 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 bah. Um, Okay, so conventional wisdom, I think, is very often something that makes it difficult to introduce new ideas, changes, new theories, new explanations. Um, people are have resistance to change, so when you discover something new that goes against conventional wisdom, it's very hard to actually change people's minds and get them to believe that it's true. It's like inertia in the system. Yeah, if you introduce something that's contrary to popular belief, yeah, people often say it's absurd. It can't be like that. So, for example, before Kepler and Copernicus, conventional wisdom said that the sun went round the earth. Um, and that was the traditional view. But people continued to believe that, and the scientists got into terrible trouble because they went against the conventional wisdom of the time. Okay, so conventional wisdom, it's what people generally believe to be true. And I think very often as well, this phrase conventional wisdom, it's saying that maybe this is not true. This is what people say is true, but not necessarily. Um, so I don't know. Very often axioms or proverbs give conventional wisdom as well, and very often they're true. So conventional wisdom has it that a stitch in time saves nine. Mend something before you need to do a bigger job, but maybe if you design things better, you won't need that stitch in time. For example, again, as late as the 1950s, conventional wisdom among doctors was that tobacco was not very harmful to health. But see how that has changed. Okay? Until Einstein came along, conventional wisdom had it that Newtonian mechanics was the the thing. That was the way the world worked. Um, so I think conventional wisdom, you need to. It's like something that stops new ideas coming in. Okay, formality, conventional wisdom. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Um, and as to origin, well, um, it's often credited to J.K. Galbraith. However, I think maybe he popularized this phrase, but it's been used for many years. I think the first evidence of it's from the 1830s, yeah, and it probably existed before that. Okay, so conventional wisdom, yeah, conventional wisdom has it that the teacher talks and the student listens. Conventional wisdom has changed. We're now thinking about flipped learning, where uh, the student is the center of the class, and the student should speak more than the teacher. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Conventional wisdom.